Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. So you want to know more about how to create homemade beauty recipes? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to create homemade beauty recipes is wellnessmama.com. Specifically the page titled How to Make Homemade Lipstick, Wellness Mama. Here's the link. You can also try www.pickyourown.org, especially the page Applesauce, How to Make Homemade Applesauce, Easily. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site healthbeautyandskincareproducts.com. The web page How to Make a Homemade Vitamin C Serum Health Beauty. This is the link.